You've got a golf cart in front of everybody, please. Let's move that golf cart. All right.
Yeah, I'll be moving away.
I think they're good, ready to go again. This is something we have never seen here at Greenville. Talk about what you want.